What is comprehensive car insurance? Comprehensive car insurance offers peace of mind to vehicle owners. Also known as full or complete cover, it means you can be covered for a range of circumstances, including repair or payment of the insured value of your vehicle for events including theft, collision, fire, malicious damage, and weather-related damage. Repair or payment of the value of other vehicles that are damaged by your vehicle in an accident, and damage to property up to the policy limits. Some companies offer a variety of optional extras as well, ranging from windscreen protection to use of hire cars. That said, it's important to always read the Product Disclosure Statement, PDS, of your policy to get a better understanding of policy inclusions, limitations, and exclusions. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.